It's been 2 full years since I hauled my boat out of the water and began what has turned out to be a very long and grueling refit. The days have become blurred into one, and it feels as though time itself has come to a standstill. There is still no difference between a Saturday and a Thursday to me, because all I've done is work on this boat, day in, day out. Yeah, I'm sure by now that all my friends and family simply roll their eyes when I mention that I'm almost ready to go back in the water. There are times when even I don't believe it anymore. But believe it or not, that time has finally come for me, and my days here on the Hard are numbered. We're just about finished installing the motor and the batteries, and once everything is connected together, well, all that's left to do is give her a final coat of bottom paint and drop her in the water.
Nice and easy to us. So don't like let go, but let it slip. So far so good. Looking good. Looking good. Jeff, make sure I can clear that step, you know, with the thing there. Okay, hold on, slow down.
We have to kind of spin it a little bit.
I can pull it over me.
Go ahead, give us some.
A little bit, Larry. What about this other thing? It's tight. Does that matter?
Just try to pull it up so that it, you know,
Stop a second, Larry.
hopefully it'll slide down that loop.
Oh, you got it?
There we go. There we go. Just kind of help it slide on that loop and we'll be good. We're right here.
Got it?
You know.
Okay.
And that's where they got to go over that. But they do move left and right.
Where are you going?
Keep coming down.
Coming. There's a beam right there in front of the
We got it. See it?
Okay.
connector. Okay. So, crossbar, what do we call it?
Yep. We're below it now, right? Pretty close anyway.
Pretty close.
Go ahead and come down.
A little bit. A little bit. A little more.
Yep.
A little more.
A little bit more. Nice and easy from here on out if you can.
Because it's really close.
I'm kind of visualizing. I'm hoping I'm dropping over that or getting close anyway. A little bit more.
A little more.
Okay, hold for a minute. Okay, mine is on my side. I think yours is on. Yours needs to go.
Watch your finger.
Yeah,
Push it so I can.
push this forward so it can go. There we go. Okay, now I got to get my back ones on. Hang on. We're gonna have to go up a little bit. Yep. It's gonna have to winch up a little bit, maybe. Okay, there we go. All right. Back one's on here, and back one's on there, kinda. Hang on, I got it loosened these nuts. There we go. Okay, I'm hitting this guy right there, which means I need to go this way with the motor a little bit. Theoretically, how are we on your front? Are they on in place?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, we're good here. Okay, go ahead and go down.
Down a little. Down a little bit.
Okay, it's there.
Stop.
We're there. Go ahead and slack us.
Slack.
Pull it out.
They're on. Just loosen it.
Yeah, all the way loose. Hang on.
Wait. That's okay. We're good.
Okay, let me put this back in. Okay, halyard is yours.
And just like that, we have an electric motor. Everybody's happy. Now we just need to connect the battery bank to the motor and get everything wired properly, and we're good to go. But there's one other project I would like to get done before we put the boat in the water, and that's the hard shell Bimini that I'm building. I was able to salvage a frame off of an old power boat that they were getting ready to crush here in the yard. And I took it to my friend Richard's place. He's a great welder. He's helped me fabricate it into the frame that I need to fit my boat. Then I'm going to wire a 1-inch tongue and groove foam board to the top of the frame, then glass everything in place, then paint it, and then get it prepared for the solar frame that's going to go on top where the solar array will fit. And then I think we can put it in the water. I'm hoping that it goes pretty fast, kind of weather dependent, but I'm at least looking forward to getting started. As you can see, the frame is virtually done, and now it's just time to start glassing the foam in place. Oh wait, there's one more thing. It's this 1968 Allberg South Coaster. It's a 23-foot sailboat. It's completely outfitted. I just need to clean it up, put some windows in it, and make it look nice. And then it'll give me something to sail around this summer while we're waiting for the hurricane season to pass. And then I'll probably donate it. But for now, it's going to be good fun. I'm looking forward to it. Can't wait. Talk to you next time. Bye.